And last, but certainly not, but absolutely not least, in fact it's first, is Tetris. Coming in at 520 million copies. Tetris was the first game released for the Game Boy when it came out in 1989. How many of you knew that? So, I'm gonna just put that down right here because I know it off the top of my head. Minecraft came out in 2011. I remember the year when that came out. I remember the very day it dropped, actually. And if we click this line over here on the rows on this area right here, we are able to fit all these names. Grand Theft Auto 5. 2013, I remember the year that came out too. We spoiled them. I'm gonna have to reference that one. In 2006. It's amazing to think that some of these games sell more than a lot of popular titles on Steam, even though they're for consoles that are no longer manufactured. Wii Sports especially. Now to go to PUBG. Battlegrounds. It even has a mobile version, but we're looking at the original version right now. When was it released? That's what I want to know. '17. Wow. The years do fly by, don't they? Oops, I want to close out of this one. It's another one I created earlier. Paste this. Mario Kart 8. So, a lot of using Excel is filling in information. It's for the Wii U and Nintendo Switch. 2014 it came out. Oh, that's another thing we want to add. So, if we want to add another column, we can go up here, right click, insert, and here we have another column.